Hey everyone, welcome back to InvestoSphere, the place where smart people like you come to learn how to build real income, real freedom, and real success. Let me ask you this. What if you could start making money online in 2025 without spending a single dollar up front? Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. In fact, some of the most successful online earners today started with zero investment. Just a laptop, some Wi-Fi, and a lot of hustle. In this video, we're breaking down 4 proven ways to make money online in 2025 without investing a single penny. These aren't some get-rich-quick scams. These are real methods being used by everyday people right now, and they work if you're consistent. By the end of this video, you'll know how to pick the right method based on your skills, where to start without spending money, what tools and platforms to use, most are free, and how to scale your income to over $1,000 per month or more. And here's the best part. Each method comes with no investment, no experience required, and no excuses. Let's dive in. Part 1. Freelancing your skill. Freelancing is the #1 way people start earning online with no money up front. And it's only getting bigger in 2025. Here's why. You don't need a product. You don't need inventory. You only need a skill, and the internet helps you sell it. Step-by-step guide. Identify your sellable skill. You might be thinking, I don't have a skill. But think again. Can you? Write simple content, proofread, translate, do basic graphic design, manage emails, or data entry. Even if you're just fluent in English, that's a marketable skill. Choose your platform. The top free platforms in 2025 include Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, TopTal for advanced skills. Create a killer profile. Write a clean, friendly bio. Add examples of your work, even practice ones. Use a clear, smiling photo or professional avatar. Start small, then scale. Offer your service for $5 to $15 just to build reviews. Be consistent and over-deliver. Once you have 5-star reviews, raise your prices. Use free tools to boost quality. Grammarly for writing, Canva for design, ChatGPT for outlines, ideas, Trello to manage projects. Promote outside the platform. Share your gig on LinkedIn, Reddit, and Facebook groups. DM potential clients on Instagram or Twitter. Real example, meet Sarah. She was a full-time mom who started offering virtual assistant services from home. She used free tools like Google Sheets, Calendly, and Zoom. Within 3 months, she was making over $1,200 per month from just 3 clients, all without spending a dime. You can do this too. Part 2. Content creation for income. You don't need to be a YouTuber with a studio or a famous influencer with millions of followers. In 2025, content creation has gone mainstream, and the best part is you don't even have to show your face. Option 1. Start a faceless YouTube channel. Here's the process. Choose a niche: finance, storytelling, top 10 lists, horror, motivation. Write scripts with AI tools like ChatGPT. Use free AI voices or text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs or Clipchamp. Add stock footage from Pexels, Pixabay, or Canva. Edit in CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Both have free versions. Post consistently, even 2 videos a week. Once you hit YouTube Partner Program requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours, you can start making money through ads, affiliate links, sponsorships. Option 2. Blogging with Medium or Substack. Write articles about your experiences, opinions, reviews, or tips. Publish on Medium and enable the partner program to get paid for reads. Try Substack to build an email list and offer free or paid subscriptions. No need to buy a domain, host a site, or run ads. Option 3. TikTok or Instagram Reels faceless. Use trending audio and text overlays. Niche ideas, book reviews, AI tools, finance tips, recipes. Edit using CapCut templates. Monetization can come from brand deals or affiliate links. If you started a faceless YouTube or blog today, what niche would you choose and why? Part 3. Online tutoring and teaching. The online learning space exploded during COVID and never slowed down. You can teach school subjects, math, English, science. English as a second language, ESL. Creative skills, music, writing, painting. Software skills, Excel, Photoshop, coding. How to get started. Sign up for free on platforms like Preply, Cambly, or Superprof. Set your schedule and hourly rate. Teach via Zoom or Skype. No degree required on many platforms, just fluency and consistency. You can also create a free course and upload it to Udemy and earn from every sale. Use Google Docs to create lesson plans, Canva to design slides, and Zoom for sessions. What's a topic or skill you know well enough to teach online, even to beginners? Part 4. Online reselling and marketplaces. Online reselling is one of the most underrated zero-investment hustles out there. Method 1. Facebook Marketplace. Look for free stuff in your neighborhood. Check the free section. Clean it, take better pictures, resell locally for profit. Method 2. Flipbooks or digital files. Create simple planners, budget sheets, or journals using Canva. Sell them for free on Etsy. You can use Etsy's free listing credit. Market on Pinterest or Reddit. Method 3. Use print on demand, no inventory. Platforms, Redbubble, Teespring, Spreadshirt. Design on Canva or Kittl. Upload to your print on demand store. When someone buys, the company handles printing/shipping. These options require zero upfront cost, just creativity and consistency. Have you ever bought or sold something online? What would you flip today to make extra cash? Let's recap. We just covered 4 powerful ways to make money online in 2025 with zero investment. Freelancing your skills. Creating content, YouTube, blog, TikTok. Teaching and tutoring online. Online reselling and print on demand. Each one of these can start as a side hustle and grow into full-time income if you stay consistent. The only thing you need is action. Take one idea, just one, and run with it for 30 days. You'll be amazed at the momentum you build. If this video gave you value, like this video, subscribe to InvestoSphere, and leave a comment with your favorite method. I reply to every single one. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss more smart money tips. Until next time, stay focused, stay consistent, and keep building your online empire. No investment required.